In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add videos to a Notion page. By the end, you'll know how to upload your own videos or embed videos from popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Loom. Open the Notion page where you want to add the video. Click on a blank line, type video, and press enter. Notion will display the available video options. If you have a video saved on your computer, choose Upload, select the video file, and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, the video will appear directly on your page and can be played without leaving Notion. If your video is hosted online, choose Embed link instead. Copy the video's share link from YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or another supported platform, paste it into the field, and click Embed. Notion will automatically display the video inside your page. You can resize the video by dragging its edges and move it anywhere on the page by dragging the block. This makes it easy to organize tutorials, presentations, training materials, or project updates alongside your notes. If an embedded video doesn't load immediately, refresh the page or confirm that you're using a valid public share link. That's how to add videos in Notion. Thanks for watching.